Simple Christmas wreath at home. Here's how you do it. So first of all, let's cut out a cardboard like this, and we can take color papers. Green color is good for this work. So let us cut it into strips. A little bit of a task, but the end result is mind-blowing. We have to cut the strips even smaller, then only our work will look great. Friends, now we can fold it like this. It's our last stage of work. Now we can arrange the strips like this. If you need your wreath more beautiful, you can add thermocol beads or any decorative items to it, as per your wish. So friends, it's our final result. I hope this was helpful, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'm damn sure that if you like this video, then definitely you will like this video also.